Hello guys, I'm Fritz Martin. Welcome you back to live webinar topic is about 8 action of success. I will share to you the 8 action of success. Success in MLM. First, you have to join. Number 2, you have to make dream board. Dream board. So you have a big attitude. Number 3, you need to have a name list. A name list of people who are business-minded people. Okay, business-minded people. Okay, business-minded people only. Why business-minded people only? Because this industry is not for all. Okay? If all people will join in network marketing and they are not fit to the industry, they will quit. Okay? They will quit. Okay? So look for business-minded people. There are only 3 prospects. 3 prospects. Number 1, newbie. They were introduced to the industry, but there's a lack of training, lack of knowledge, lack of experience to this industry. So you need to train them and motivate them about this industry. Number 2, current network marketers. I mean, current network marketers, they are involved in the industry more than 50 years already involved in the industry. So you need just to find them in this industry. Okay, so you have to look for these people. Okay, and third prospect are investors. Okay. There are only 3 prospects: newbie, current network marketer, and investors. Okay, so don't invite your friends, family. Don't invite your friends, family. Okay, don't chase your friends and family because they're not business-minded. Okay, you need to think something. Okay. Because this business is common sense. You're in this business, so you're looking for business people only. Okay, so these are the 3 prospects. So number 4, after getting these prospects, okay, you need to set an appointment. Okay, appointment. Okay, what do you mean by appointment? Okay, set by date, time, and place. Okay. You need make sure na set up. Okay, set up. Okay, you need to set up in the date, time, and place. Because if you don't give the date, time, and place, you will never see them in person. Okay, you cannot communicate. Most network marketers fail because they don't communicate with their prospects. Even you have 1,000 prospects, but you don't communicate, what will happen? You don't get involved with them. So that's now number 4. Number 5 is presentation. Okay. After appointment, be sure you need to present your primary opportunity or primary MLM. Okay? So, be sure to present it, and after presentation, make a follow-up within 48 hours. So, the brother of presentation is follow-up. Even though you made 1,000 presentation but you don't follow up, it's useless. Okay, so you need to follow up them for 48 hours or 2 days. Okay, so number 6 is 100% product user. 100% product user. So, because this business is a lead by example business, network marketing is a lead by example business. If you don't use your product, people will not use. Okay, so be sure you use the products that you are promoting. Okay, so number 7 is business tools. Okay, what do you mean by business tools? Just like this, video marketing. An example of a business tools to fasten your network. Okay. What else? Cell phone, computer, laptop, projector, clear book, ball pen, pen paper. Ano pa? Personality development books. Okay. So to provide value. Okay. So in order to create a massive team, you need to be a valuable person in this industry. Okay? So, these are the number 7, 8. So, the number 8 is GTP. GTP. What stands for? GTP means good team player. I mean that is you. Okay? In order for you to, in order for an MLM company to succeed, he needs you. Okay, so people get started with you. Okay, because of you, not company, not products, not marketing plan. Kung wala ka, wala yung mga tao. Di ba? So ibig sabihin, ang bida dapat ikaw. So ibig sabihin, dapat ikaw ang bida. Dapat ikaw ang binibenta mo, hindi yung product. Secondary lang yung products. So, I've heard this training from my mentors from the United States. So, they cater network marketing companies. So, they provide value. So, they create massive downlines in their organization. So, I see you on the top. God bless. Happy network marketing.